Have you ever wondered how a company such as Amazon works out how many products should be shipped from each warehouse each day, keeping freight costs down while balancing demand and supply? Or how an energy firm determines which generator should power which sector at which time? There are endless examples of optimization, a way to accurately assess multiple variations in order to reach the most efficient outcome. Optimization relies on mathematical algorithms. Algorithms resolved by people such as Dr. Vera Roshina.
I'm interested in some geometric properties of convex objects, convex cones. They are the objects that are used in modern optimization a lot.
That's because they help mathematicians visualize and understand a problem through multiple dimensions.
By looking at this picture, most of you have learned much more about this class of problems, semi-definite programming problems, than you would if you just looked at the equations.
The work she's done in this area is considered outstanding given her relatively short professional life and the complexity of the work.
There's plenty of mathematical problems that are still unsolved. So people who work in theoretical optimization like me, we take the mathematical challenges that come from those problems and we resolve those mathematical challenges.
The applications for Dr. Roshina's work aren't always obvious. She leaves that to others. It's her job to get the theory right.
If I understand something, even a minor thing, that may have an impact on absolutely everybody, right, who works on the actual practical problems.
But sometimes the outcomes are clearer. While working in Portugal, she was challenged to make something invisible.
You want to do a magic trick. You want to construct an object with mirror surface so that the reflections are used in such a way that you can conceal something.
Designing objects with optimal shapes for various purposes is an active field of optimization. But there are limits to invisibility.
You can only make something invisible from one direction or two directions, right? Only from certain viewpoints.
Originally from Russia, Dr. Roshina has been in Australia for 8 years and says she's proud to receive the Christopher Heide Medal.
And this award means a lot to me because I really enjoy working in Australia. I love this community. This is one of the best things that happened to me, of course.